Everyone claims that their sauna is low EMF. Today, we're gonna find out who's telling the truth and who's not. Behind me, we've got $2,500 price range, $4,500 price range, and $6,500 to $8,500 price range. We've never tested these three saunas side by side EMF before, so I really don't know what to expect. Using tri-field TF2 meter today. We're gonna check magnetic fields first and then electric. I would use a different meter to check RF, but not all of these are smartphone enabled, so we're not really gonna compare that today. Just the EMF, which is two values, electric fields, magnetic fields. Let's get started. So right outside the door, what's our background, Aaron?
0.5.
Coming into the sauna, on the bench, we've got 7 milligauss, maybe 2-3 inches away from the backrest. If you wanted to go all the way to the backrest, we got 16. Let's check sidewalls. We got 15, probably a hot spot in there somewhere. Come out a few inches. We're sitting at 15. Let me sit down for a second. 13. Ooh. Yeah, somewhere in the 10 range. All right, so this one to me, not the lowest EMF, but almost everything in the $2,000 price range that we've tested is not that great. Now let's switch to electric fields so we get both sides of the EMF. I don't know what we have for...
It's like 130, 140. Let's step out.
Well, the body is picking up on some of that voltage, which is going to compound.
So where's your out here?
Okay. So in the sauna, seated body position, we've got 300 at the rest, at the backrest, 417 on the floor. All right, so it's basically 140 from every emitter. So when you see it compounding, when I grab it, it's gonna go up because the rest of my body is picking up on electric fields from the rest of the sauna. That is off the charts, 900, but low down here, a little high. A little bit high, I don't know, 150 to 300, somewhere in there for electric fields.
Do you consider this a low EMF sauna?
No. To me, those values are not a low EMF sauna. Nothing in this price range really is though, especially the Costco stuff, it reads about the same. Some of the electric fields are a little higher in some of them. Some of the magnetic fields are a little higher and lower. Usually they're flipped. Let's move on to the middle price range, which I think is $3,800 to $4,000 for a one person. And that was a two person model. The two person in this is about $4,500. Now this sauna is a little bit different because it goes up to 170 on the control panel. Make sure it's on and then we'll step out, get a background reading real quick. What do we got?
0.1.
And
0.1.
What do we got?
0.
Okay, let's go in, see what we get. So pretty much same as background. This is different because there's a heater in the bench. So obviously in this price range, you're getting a better heater layout. You're also getting instant on full spectrum heater on the front wall. Full spectrum heaters always have some type of EMF. The thing that's critical is if you come out to point of body contact, is it negligible? So on the knee, we're about a milligauss. Sidewalls, not much emission. Floor, hardly anything. Bench, like normally I wouldn't be checking here, but because there's a heater down there, we definitely want to check because you got wires and everything else running there. So about a milligauss, I mean in various places. I'm sure there's a hot spot in here too, where the termination is, just like we could find hot spots in the other one. But this thing is almost making me sweat.
It's very hot.
Yeah. Let's switch to electric. We're zeroed out in the ambient.
Yes.
Okay. So electric, full spectrum. Okay, so this is a grounded full spectrum heater. So electric field's grounded. Ooh,
Wow.
whole thing is grounded.
It is really hot in here, holy crap.
Yeah, it's getting warm. But I want to check all the heater locations, like even if we jam it in there. So, I mean, you're definitely getting, this is a low EMF sauna. This would be an example of a true low EMF sauna. I need to get out of here. This is a one person, that's a two person. So it'd be $4,500, it'd be $2,000 more. But I mean, build quality, heater layout, heater build quality, EMF, quality of the construction, look and feel, temperature range. I mean, that's what you're paying for, and it shows. That was Rocky Mountain, that was LifePro 2. This is Radiant Health 2. Let's turn this on, go temperature 149. Red light is on, should be same ambience. Oh, maybe not hold the microphone next to it? Yeah. Okay, so background. This is pretty much zeroed out. There's a heater in this bench too. This tests way, way better than almost anything else that I've seen. I mean, it's zeroed out everywhere.
Dude, this is like 0, 0.
0, 0. You're gonna get some from the red light or some from the red light cord.
Here, 1 second.
Right, but we're right on top of it. If you came out to seated body position, it's going to be negligible.
0.9.
But this is optional too, so you can take that in or put it out. Let's check electric fields, because you might have some really high spikes from the red light on electric fields. Just kidding, it's grounded. Heaters, geez, that is zeroed out. And I'm not on here, I am jamming it in. Completely grounded heat shield. 0, 0, 0. Heater in here too, that's why I keep checking the floor. This is probably the lowest that you can get in the industry. Though I don't see anything that really tests better than this. Let me get out of the way. Be hard pressed to get any electric fields out of this sauna. The system is entirely grounded. Radiant Health P2H, best in the business for heater layout, EMF. I haven't seen anything better. It's very rare that we're able to show you this many categories. We've got 3 more next week, but showing them to you side by side really makes it demonstrable. What are you getting for the money? Which companies are actually delivering, not what's fancy language in a brochure.